Very good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. We were doing chapter number 7, fractions. In today's class, we'll be studying comparing and ordering fractions. First of all, we will be studying to compare like fractions. So first of all, what is like fraction? Like fraction, they are those fractions which are having the same denominator, like 3 by 5 and 4 upon 5. I have written here two fractions. These two fractions, they are the like fraction. Why? Because in the denominator both has 5 and 5. So these two fractions, they are like fraction. Now we have to compare whether this given fraction, which one it is smaller or which fraction it is greater. So how to compare it in case of the like fraction? For like fraction, what are like fraction? With the same denominator. So for like fractions with the same denominator, the fraction having the greater numerator is greater. Here the numerator is 3 and here the numerator is 4. So which one will be greater? 4 it is greater than 3. So we can say that this 4 upon 5, this fraction, it is greater than 3 upon 5. For the fractions which are having the same denominator, what you have to see? You have to see the numerator. Here numerator is 3, here numerator is 4. I hope that the numerator and denominator term, it is clear for you. This is called as numerator and this one it is called as the denominator. This I have told you in the first class of the fractions, if you can recall it. This is the numerator and this one it is called as the denominator. The denominator, they are same. So for the like fractions, you have to see the numerator. Here the numerator 4, it is greater than 3. So we can say that this fraction, it is greater than 3 upon 5. Now I am writing another like fraction and we have to tell which of this it is greater. I am writing here 7 upon 9 and here I am writing 2 upon 9. Again these two, they are the like fractions. Why? Because the denominator in both it is 9. So we will be seeing the numerator. The numerator 7, it is greater to 2. So I will be putting the sign of this. This 7 upon 9, it is greater than 2 upon 9. Now next we will be studying to compare the fractions. It is with the same numerator. How to compare the fraction with the same numerator? To compare fraction, now we will be comparing the fractions with the same numerator. Here I will be writing the two fractions with the same numerator and then we will be comparing the two fractions. So I am writing here 1 upon 2 and the another fraction, it is 1 upon 3. Here you can see that the numerator, it is same 1 and 1, but the denominator, it is different. In one it is 2 and in the another it is 3. So how to compare the fractions which are having the same numerator? So the fraction having the smaller denominator, in this 2 you have to see the denominator. The fraction having the smaller denominator is greater than the fraction having a larger denominator. In this you have to see the denominator. Here the 2, it is smaller as compared to 3. So this fraction, it is greater. 1 upon 2, it is greater than 1 upon 3. Let us take another example, 1 upon 4 and here I am writing 1 upon 5. Again you can see the numerator it is same and the denominator it is different. Here it is 4, here it is 5. So you have to see the denominator. The fraction which is having the smaller denominator, that fraction will be greater. So 1 upon 4 it would be greater than 1 upon 5. Now next we'll be doing arranging the fractions in ascending order. If I am writing certain fractions and then we have to arrange the given fraction in ascending order. Ascending order, first of all, what is ascending order? In ascending order we used to write a number first the smaller and at the end we used to write the largest number. So arrange, I am writing the question. We have to arrange the fractions in ascending. We have to arrange the given fractions in ascending order. How to arrange the fractions in ascending order? I am writing the fraction 7 upon 8, comma 2 upon 8, comma 5 upon 8, again comma 4 upon 8, and then is 3 upon 8. Here you can see that all of this fraction they are having the denominator is same. Here the denominator is same in all, it is 8. So what you have to see? You have to see the numerator. What is numerator? The number 7, 2, 5, 4 and 3. This all are the numerator. So which one of this it is smaller? 2 is smaller. So first of all I will be writing 2 upon 8. Here I will be writing 2 upon 8 and I will be putting the sign of like this because it is smaller. Then I will be writing 3 upon 8. Then I will be putting the sign of this. Then comes 4 upon 8. I will be putting this sign. Then comes 5 upon 8. And at the last I will be writing 7 upon 8. So in this way we have arranged this given fraction in ascending order. So let us revise this question. In the question it is given that you have to arrange the fraction in ascending order. Here in the question I have written the fraction. You can see that the denominator it is common. In all the denominator it is 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8. So this type of fraction it is called as the like fractions. So in like fractions you have to see the numerator. So the numerator, which one is smaller? 2. So first you will be writing this fraction 2 upon 8. This is written. Then you will be writing this 3 upon 8. Then 4 upon 8 you will be writing 5 upon 8 and last 7 upon 8. Now let us do another question. I am writing the another fraction. Again we have to arrange it in the ascending order. Here I am writing the question 3 upon 7 comma 3 upon 7 comma 3 upon 11 again is comma, then 3 upon 5, then is 3 upon 14 and at the last is 3 upon 4. Here students you can see this fraction it is having the same numerator. In this the fraction it is having the same numerator 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. The numerator it is same and the denominators they are different. So you have to see the different number. In this you will be seeing the denominator. So the fraction with the greater denominator is smaller. The fraction which is having the greater denominator. Which one is greater? 14 it is greater. From all of this number 14 is greater. So 3 upon 14, this is the smallest number. The fraction having the greater denominator will be the smallest fraction. So here this 3 upon 14 will be the smallest. So first of all I will be writing 3 upon 14. I will be putting the sign. Then comes 3 upon 11. This number it is greater. 11. After 11, 7. So I will be writing fraction 3 upon 7. Then I will be writing fraction 3 upon 5, and at the end I will be writing 3 upon 4. So students, here in the question I have given you the fraction with the same numerator. So how to order the fraction with the same numerator? You have to see the denominator. The fraction having the greater denominator will be the smallest one. So in the today's class we will be studying only about the comparing and ordering of the fraction. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.